Charlie's Angels or Red Hill Car Wash? It's really hard to tell. Melanie and I are here with the guns, and this is what you start off with when your car comes into the car wash. These things hold a lot of power. I feel like I'm putting out a fire. Okay, so what is the purpose of these?
So it's to get off as much of the dirt off of the car and the spaces that we can't get. So inside your wheel wells, and your side skirts, and where you'll like step onto it.
Oh,
so,
okay.
On the bigger SUVs. So what we want to do is we want to get that off, and then we'll do the back of the car, and then with this brush over here, we'll do that lip on the SUVs.
Yep, okay. So this is kind of the first step. So you've got technicians, when your car comes in, they'll spray your car down. They will give you kind of a pre-wash, and then the cars jump onto, the conveyor belts. Yep. So we're gonna pretend we're cars right now, and we're gonna be going through a series of brushes, and we're not gonna get wet because the spray is off. What are these brushes made out of?
It is a type of neoprene, so it's not going to scratch your car. I'm too short, I can't reach it.
Oh, it's very soft. Like, that's not painful at all.
No.
So they're a type of neoprene, and then I'm assuming this one gets the top. These ones are?
These get the sides.
And then those little ones there?
Those will get the wheels.
Oh, okay. And now you've got different cycles that people can pick, right?
Yeah, so we got the bronze, silver, and gold.
Okay.
Any of them, you're gonna get a clean, dry car. With the higher washes, you'll get the rainbow falls, which is fun. You'll get extra dryers. You'll get a wax with the top package. And you'll also get underbody spray, which is great in the winter with the salt.
What's the point of the underbody spray?
To get rid of the salt.
To get rid of the salt. So the salt, it can be damaging?
Yeah, it's gonna rust out your car.
Okay.
Yeah.
So most people would either go for the basic or the gold, I'm thinking.
Yeah, it's actually probably about 60, 70% are gold.
Wow.
And maybe 15 are silver.
And the wax that you get at the end
comes through here.
Okay, and that.
Yeah. And then you're in search.
Okay. And then you're in the dryer.
Then the dryers.
Okay, now the wax, how long does it protect your car once it goes on?
Till the next car wash.
Wow.
Right?
Okay.
So
do people normally get memberships?
Yeah, because if you come 3 times or more, you save money. So top package, you save 15 bucks by the 3rd time you come. It's kind of a no-brainer.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay, all right, coming up on Morning Live, we're gonna show you a couple more tools and tricks that they have here at Red Hill Car Wash. Don't go anywhere. We really thought that the CH vehicle needed a wash, so now we're into the self-service bays with JJ. I've just brought this vehicle in, you've handed me the gun. What am I doing right now?
Well, first off, you fit into the bay, so that's a miracle.
It's amazing how high they are, considering we have a super tall van.
Yeah, but you're doing the right thing. You want to pre-soak your entire vehicle with this touchless soap.
Okay.
That's going to lift the dirt from the paint, and then we're going to carry on with the rest of the process. So really,
I love this. I'm having a really fun time. Is that just me, or do most people have fun?
Well, the whole experience is supposed to be fun.
And JJ, talk to me about the app that you just used to get this started.
Well, we have in our self-serve phase, you can start all of our equipment with an app. So we're integrated with our bays, our vacuums, and you can start bays, earn rewards. We give out free vacuum codes for time that you purchase in the car wash bay.
That's super cool. That must be really unique to you guys.
It is. It's something that we developed about 7 years ago, and we have it at all of our locations.
That's awesome. Okay, so now that I've done the pre-soak, what's next?
Okay, then we're going to move on to the foam brush.
The foam brush. Oh, so I have to use something different.
Yep, I'm going to bring that to you.
Oh, okay. Put my gun. Do I put the gun back in?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
This is all part of the challenge.
Oh boy.
Yep. This will be your workout.
Okay, the foam brush, you do this all over your car. Ooh, Luke needs to start taking this to the car wash more. Did you hear that, Luke? It's filthy. What kind of soap am I using?
It's just a detergent soap that provides lubrication to prevent the bristles from causing any damage to the vehicle.
I was gonna say, the bristles sound really, really soft. Like I'm not, you know, having to use a lot of elbow grease, which is nice.
The thing that's unique about the way we set up our products, especially with our foam brush soap, you can see that the soap is draining down the side of the vehicle. It's not sitting there.
Oh.
It's not a thick foam.
No.
We want the brush to remove the dirt from the surface, but then run away from the vehicle and take it down so that it's not leaving it there.
This is actually hard work. I really am getting a workout. But it feels good when you know you're actually doing something good
Yeah.
for your vehicle.
The best way to get a perfectly clean vehicle is to do it yourself like you're doing it right now.
Well, there you go.
You're doing a good job.
Can you tell my kids that?
Okay, don't miss this messy stuff right here.
Oh, messy
You
stuff.
got it. You have to be thorough.
Right, okay, so I'm gonna continue doing this. And then when we come back, we're gonna show you a lot of bright colors and how maybe you can get your kids involved because they'll wanna, you know, use it. Maybe, right? Much more coming up. Stay with us.
Keep going.
Thanks, Luke. I'm going. I gotta say, I am having a really good time here at Red Hill Car Wash. JJ, what is the next step? I've done the pre-soak, I've done
All
the
right.
scrub with the brush. What's this?
Okay, so now we're on to the high pressure wax. So we just recommend going straight to the high pressure wax so you're not wasting time rinsing and then doing another high pressure function.
Okay.
So this is gonna blast off the dirt and apply your wax at the same time.
Do I have to do the bottom when I'm doing the wax?
You do everything. You wanna get all of the soap off of the vehicle.
Wow. Look at all the dirt coming off of it. That's so satisfying. And I'm going to quickly do the other side, just so we can go on to the next thing. It really is a high pressure. It's not hard to hold the gun, but you can feel it.
We do use ergonomically correct handles, so it's a little bit easier to hold
your
on
hand?
to.
Okay, what's next? Woo!
All right, no matter what you do in a self-serve car wash, you always got to finish with spot-free rinse.
Okay.
Oh no, you wanted to do the tri-colors.
Oh yeah, the colors.
Oh God.
I want to do the colors.
All right,
New gun?
you're just like a child.
Just like a child.
Over here.
Okay. Whoa!
Kids love to do.
This is the best. Okay, what's this?
So we're applying just another layer of wax. And because it's in a foaming product, it's going to sit on the vehicle longer and give the product more time to bind to the clear coat.
This is what I came for, right here. This is why you need to come.
And if it's really cold in the wintertime, it can freeze on the side of your vehicle, and then you have a permanent rainbow.
Is that true?
It happens.
Really? Yeah, but then you can wash it off. Right?
Yeah,
You don't want to scare people.
Absolutely.
And how is it changing colors like this?
We just have our controller in the back. It's just sequencing through the different color products that we have. It's all the same product.
I was just about to ask, is it all a different product or same?
It's all the same products, just in different colors.
Okay, well, coming up, you're going to see some of the finished product, and we're going to take maybe and do a little vacuuming, because I know how Luke treats this truck, and, you know, he treats it like his home, so there's snacks. Much more coming up on Morning Live. Well, it's all about completing the full experience here at Red Hill Car Wash. So you take your car through the car wash if you feel like just sitting and relaxing, or you can do it yourself in the self-service bay, which we just demonstrated. And to be honest, I had a lot of fun doing it. So if you enjoy washing your car, which I know a lot of people do, because some people are very meticulous about it, this is the place to be. Now, when it comes to the inside of your car, JJ, you've got something that I know a lot of car washes do not have. I've never seen this feature before at a car wash.
Well, this is our carpet shampoo. So right here, this is a dry foam shampoo, especially in the springtime when everybody's got lots of dirt from winter time. The thing to do is you come in, You vacuum up all the loose crumbs and all the gross stuff that's sitting in your carpet.
Yeah.
Then you apply the shampoo all over your upholstery and carpet, scrub it in all over the place, and then use the vacuum again to just suck up all that moisture and dirt out of your carpet.
So is it kind of like a wet vac?
It is a wet vac.
Okay, so
Yep.
that's exactly how it
Yep,
works. So even if you
exactly.
have some spillage or your carpets are wet to begin with in the wintertime or in this time of year in the rain, it's okay to use the vacuum
This
cleaner.
is exactly what you do.
Okay.
And it smells delicious like lemons.
It does. It's lemony fresh. Their tagline on their vacuums is that their vacuums really do suck. I love it. Okay, so the experience here, someone comes in, they bring their car, they bring it up, they pay, it's all self-serve. You don't need to talk to an attendant or anything because then you have the app on your phone.
Correct. But you will talk to an attendant because we have people here all the time.
Okay,
Yeah.
helping you out.
Absolutely.
If you have any questions.
Any questions at all, we're here to help all the time.
That's amazing. I've seen some of the crew members walking around and they're also nicely dressed with their name tags. It's like they really take pride in working here.
Well, that's what Melanie's worked so hard on, building a team that's happy to be here and helpful. So
I think that makes the experience so much better. You know what I mean? It kind of adds to the community and people know you and they know that this is a family-run business. And so
Yeah.
when they come here, they know that they're going to get the best.
yeah, well, we hope that they feel the same way. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, well, if you were looking for a car wash, let's face it, we're getting into spring. Things are muddy, things are dirty. You've got kids' boots in and out of the car. It's just inspired me to clean my car because my car just looks like a waste bin basket at this point. We're going to finish cleaning off the CHDH vehicle, but thank you so much, you guys, for having us here today. We had a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Thank you.